Featuring with Chef Ricardo is amazing. Anyway, guys, you know what we're going to do right now? I got some rocket right here. Java Star. It's the normal, it's the normal. Anyway, beautiful one. Beautiful one. Keep a hold on, guys. Hold on, hold on. Salad. But there's a secret I'm gonna have to do right now to make this healthy salad. Anyway, I got some rocket right here when we have it on my fridge. Secondly, I got the sweet jam lettuce. You can get sweet jam lettuce to buy in the supermarket or your local shop, guys. Go there and buy it. Alright? Just gonna simple cut up this very small. This is a sweet jam lettuce. Alright? Now, honestly, I love sweet jam lettuce badly. I'm gonna put this mess up. Just gonna simply show you guys exactly what's going on right now in the kitchen. So basically, just use what salad you have left over in the current here. Alright? Now we got some tomato. Yeah, and I'm using 2 medium-sized tomatoes, so you must know, say it's really good. Alright, guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Spring onion. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar on it. Beautiful. That is fantastic and an amazing. Alright, guys, I'm telling you this recipe, I have the recipe so long and I want to share with you. And you know what I mean, I just said, it's time for me to share this beautiful recipe to you guys. Guys, I know you guys definitely gonna love it. Red onion. Alright, got some red onion. Lovely and nice. That's our red onion. Alright, we got red apple. I love red apple. You're gonna say, well, you're gonna eat red apple with red onion and all them things together. Yes, it can work. You know what I mean? It's just nice when I put the red apple in a salad. You need to try that one, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Two red apple. I'm just gonna use up this one too. It makes sense to save it. Oh, this bit doesn't good. I don't like that bit. Yes, I'm coming with the salad. Yeah, I'm making this salad for them, you know what I mean? Sorry about the shouting, guys. You know, Chef Ricardo, you know, salad man. Nice one. Look at that, guys. You know what I mean? Please don't do what I'm doing, because I'm a chef and I know how to use a knife. Alright? Now we have 1 clove of garlic, which we want to use. So what we're going to do is just remove the bits on the outside, you know what I mean? Yeah. And once you do that, just simple. Use your garlic press. If you don't have one, go to chefricardo.co.uk and buy one. We got a little bit of dried chili. Gonna put a little bit of dried chili on it. Cause I'm gonna wait for the salad, you know. Salad need to go out. Black pepper. Yeah. Something different, you know what I mean? Honestly, something totally different. Now we're gonna put some olive oil. Alright? Just a little bit of olive oil. You don't need to, but you know what I mean? It's just to bring up the flavor. Alright, now lime juice. Squeeze some lime juice on it. Get the seed. No seed, so we're good to go. Beautiful, nice and lovely. Alright, what you want to do, you just want to use your hand and work in this beautiful salad. Alright, look at this, amazing, fantastic, lovely and simple. Alright, nice one. So you got the garlic in it, you got the, you know what I mean, every bits and pieces in it. So it's just lovely and nice. Alright, I want you to just enjoy the salad. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, so if you like the recipe, you know what to do. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, look at that beautiful salad. Beautiful, beautiful salad, guys, honestly. So you need to enjoy this one, guys, honestly. It's just fantastic and amazing. Alright, so if you like the salad, please enjoy it. Alright, and not only that, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas coming from Chef Ricardo. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.